trying to figure it all out on your own isn't the best way to get started as a personal chef. In fact, 100%, it's actually keeping you from reaching your dream. And look, I understand why you think that. There's a ton of information available out there. But if you're like most people, when you're stuck by yourself trying to figure out something new, it usually goes something like this. Google a bunch of websites and try to piece it all together while getting overwhelmed at the conflicting advice. Download a bunch of freebies that don't have the info you need, and if you're really good, try to make a plan from it all, but end up even more confused. Sooner than later, you end up giving up or thinking that it won't work for you. And I get it. I have been there too. I have totally done that. And what most people never realize is that trying to learn something new on your own is like planting a bunch of trees in the desert and expecting them to grow. Sure, you might work hard at it, but that doesn't mean you're going to get the result you want unless you were going for dead trees. Plus, isn't the whole point to get to the cooking for paying clients part, not the trying to work out a plan and figure all the things out part? If you're anything like most successful personal chefs, you want to cook, not do paperwork and learn business strategies and all that. Right now, you have a choice. You can continue sitting in front of your device, Googling about how to become a personal chef, watching videos that teach marketing that you're not ready for yet, and honestly, that's what most people do. Or you can be the type of person who goes all in and commits to moving forward with their dream of getting paid to do what they love. If that's you, click the link below and download your free copy of How to Cook a Personal Chef service. Take the first step in becoming a personal chef and getting paid to do what you love, because the clients are out there and they are hungry for what you're cooking.